Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this pomegranate. Excuse my mess. I've already done like 3 or 4. Anyways, so you take your pomegranate and you cut this edge off right here. You don't have to go super deep because their skin is really thin. So you see that, okay? Then this little core, we're just going to cut a little piece of it out. Like so. Okay? Now everywhere you see a white vein, you're going to cut like this. Start at the top, very thin, very lightly. You don't have to go deep. And then you just go all the way down to the bottom, just like if you were getting ready to, do an orange. You do that at each one of those spots. All the way down. Looks like there might have been one here, so I'm going to do one here. Then right here. There's usually about 6 or 7. All the way to the bottom. Here's one more. Okay, then after you've done that, you just put your finger right there where you cut the core out and gently pull apart. See that? Let me move my bowl so I can. So when you pull it apart, you'll just take a section out like this, just like an orange wedge, and you just drag your thumb across them and they just start to fall out. Or you can, better if you do it this way, kind of bend it a little bit. They'll start to just pop out. See? Really doesn't take very long. Already done with one wedge almost, see? I just have the bowl underneath there. You don't want any of the white part, so get it out after you've done it because that part's bitter. And voila. So on this one, I just pull the white stuff off. Start pulling it apart. They just fall out. You just try and be a little gentle so you don't burst them, because you want to keep the juice in there. You don't want to smash them. See, 2 wedges down, like 5 more to go. It really doesn't take that long. And this one actually is giving me a little bit more of a problem than the last 4 I did. So maybe it's not as ripe or something. But still, it's not hard. There you go. So it's that easy. Do your pomegranates. They're good for you. After you do that, you can put them in the fridge in a jar for about 2 or 3 weeks. I put a paper towel on the bottom of my jar to keep them from getting moist. Or you can let them air dry a little bit and then put them in a Ziploc baggie in the freezer. And the reason you want to put them let them air dry so that they don't stick together like ice cubes do. That way when you go to get them, they'll be just, separated. That's it. Bye.